Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a book on StoryGraph using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the StoryGraph app on your iPhone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the home screen, you are ready. Tap on the search icon at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type the book title, author name or ISBN. When the book appears in the result, tap on it. On the book page, you will see button like wants to read, currently reading, read. Tap the option that fits what you want. This automatically adds the book to your library. If you want, you can choose the format using tap update process or edit. This select physical book, ebook, audiobook. This helps StoryGraph track your status correctly. And that's it. The book is now added to your StoryGraph library and will appear in your reading list. And that's how you add a book on StoryGraph using an iPhone. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.